One person is dead and two have been critically injured after a six-story building collapsed in Hyderabad on Thursday evening. More are feared trapped in the debris. The collapse took place at Nanakramguda, an information technology suburb. There were reportedly 5 families residing in this building. When it collapsed, 4 belonged to tile workers and plumbers, while 1 belonged to the building's watchman. And as you can see, teams of the National Disaster Response Force at the location engaged in those rescue efforts. Let's go across to Divya now, who joins us from there. Divya, what is the situation?
We are here at the Nanakramguda construction site where this building, which was the 6-story building, as you were saying, which was in its final stages of construction, collapsed last night at around 10:30 p.m. We have 3 excavators here which have been working on the rubble since last night. NDRF teams, police teams have been here inspecting, investigating and working on the rescue operations. We also had the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation officials who've been here all night, and the mayor, in fact, who is Bonta Ram Mohan. He was here last night at around 11 p.m. and he was back here again at 6 sharp in the morning. He's still here and he's still speaking to channels, inspecting the situation. And in fact, when we asked him what was the reason or the cause of the collapse, he said that there may have been violations of guidelines while constructing this building, but essentially there's another construction which is going on the other side of this, which was happening behind this very building. And when they were laying the foundation over there, since this building was poorly, the collapsed building was poorly constructed, the laying of the foundation may have affected this building, which is what caused the collapse. Now 14 family members were there in the building while the building collapsed, and two have been rescued and they're severely injured. One of which is a small boy. The police say he's around 8 or 10 years old. The other one was a lady. They've been shifted to the hospital. And the third was a dead body which they retrieved of one man. Now that's all the police have so far. In the last 2 hours that we've been here, the excavators have been continuously working on the rubble and trying to go and rescue the other people. Now we see a small opening a little on our left, where you will find a small opening over there, and that's now we do not know what's over there. We are hoping that we might get some development from that area as well.